Chapter 6, Functions and Formulae Excel 2016. Topics covered. Formulas in Excel. Basic elements of a formula. Entering a formula in a cell. Different operators used in formulas. Functions in Excel. Formulas in Excel. The formulas in Excel can be used to perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There are 5 basic elements of a formula which are given below. Constants. Values or strings directly entered in a formula are known as constants. For example, numbers or alphabets that are not to be calculated. References. References are used to refer to a cell or range of cells. It tells Excel where to look for values that are required in a formula. Operators. Operators are special symbols that perform specific operations between constants, and then give an output for the same. Functions. Functions are built-in block of codes in Excel which performs a calculation in a specific order using some values called arguments. Parentheses. Parentheses controls the order in which the expressions within a formula is to be calculated. Entering a formula. To understand how to add a formula in Excel, look at a simple example given below. It calculates the average marks of 4 students of the class. Step 1. Decide where you want to enter the formula and select the respective cell. Cyber tidbits. A formula in Microsoft Excel always begins with an equal to, equals, sign followed by the combination of constants, references, functions and operators. Step 2. Type the equal to, equals, sign followed by the formula in terms of the cell address. Step 3. Press the Enter key. The result will appear in the respective cell. When a formula is entered in a worksheet, 3 buttons appear on the left side of the formula bar. Each of these buttons has specific functions which are described in the following table. Cancel. It is used to cancel the execution of the formula. Enter. It is used to get the output of the formula. Insert function. It opens the Insert function dialog box from which you can choose the built-in functions. In mathematics, there are various operators which are used to perform specific calculations. You can find such operators in Excel as well. Operators in Excel. Operators are symbols that indicate the type of calculation to be performed on the given input. They can be either numeric or text. Numeric operators. A numeric formula uses different operators to do specific calculations. Some of the operators used in Excel are arithmetic, relational and logical operators. Arithmetic operators. Operators that are used to do mathematical operations only and cannot be used with text data. Arithmetic operators. Name. Example. Result. Addition. Addition. Equal 12 addition 8. 20. Subtraction. Subtraction. Equal 12 subtraction 8. 4. Multiplication. Multiplication. Equal 12 multiplication 8. 96. Division. Division. Equal 12 division 8. 1.5. Exponentiation. Exponentiation. Equal 12 exponentiation 8. 256. Percentage. Percentage. Equal 12 percentage. 0.12. Relational operators. Operators that are used to compare 2 different numbers and always return a single value, true or false as the output. Relational operators. Name. Example. Result. Less than. Less than. Equal to 63 less than 12. False. Greater than. Greater than. equal to 63 greater than 12. True. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Equal to 63 less than equal to 12. False. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Equal to 63 greater than or equal to 12. True. Equal to. Equal to. Equal to 63 equal to 12. False. Not equal to. Not equal to. Equal to 63 not equal to 12. False. Logical operators. Operators that are used to combine two or more relational expressions and return true or false as the output. Logical operators. Name. Description. Example. Result. And. Logical not. Returns true only if all the expressions are true. Equal to and 63 less than 12. 12 greater than 8. False. Or. Logical not. Returns true if either of the expressions is true. Equal to or 63 greater than 12. 12 equal to 8. True. Not. Logical not. Returns true if the expression is false and vice versa. Equal to not 8 less than 63. True. Cyber tidbits. Combining two or more text values into one is known as concatenation. Text operators. A text formula returns text as the output by combining two or more text values into one with the use of the ampersand and special character operator. Name. Example. Example. And ampersand text concatenation operator. Equal to hello and space and world. Hello world. To understand entering text formulas in Excel, look at the example given below. It concatenates two text values. Step 1. Enter some text in the cells A1 and B1, say Excel and spreadsheet. Step 2. Type the text formula equal to A1 and space B1 in A2 and press the Enter key. The text will be concatenated. Functions in Excel. The predefined formulas that are present in Excel are known as functions. Same as a formula, a function also starts with an equal to sign and generally consists of two parts. Function name. The name of the function which is to be used for calculations. For example, sum, product, etc. Argument S. The value that a function uses to perform calculation. It can be a number, range, text, formula or a cell reference. An argument appears to the right side of the function name and is enclosed in parentheses. Types of functions. Some of the common functions available in Microsoft Excel are given in the table below. Function. Description. Examples. Sum. Calculates the sum of the given arguments. Equal to sum 25, 55, 86. Product. Calculates the product of the given arguments. Equal to 12, 18, 2. Average. Calculates the average of the given arguments. Equal to average 957. Max. Finds the maximum value in a given set of values. Equal to max 125.93. Min. Finds the minimum value in a given set of values. Equal to min 45.23. Now. Displays the current date and time. Equal to now. Today. Displays the current date. Equal to today. Entering a function. To understand the use of the built-in functions in Excel, look at a simple example given below. It calculates the average of the marks of 3 of the students in a class. Cyber tidbit. Not all functions require arguments for evaluation. For example, the sum function requires arguments, while the now function does not. Step 1. Select the cell in which you want to enter the function and get the output. Step 2. Click the Insert Function button in the Function Library group on the Formula tab or click the Insert Function button on the formula bar. The Insert Function dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the function category from the Select a Category drop-down list. For example, select the most recently used category. Step 4. Select the desired function which is averaged from the list displayed in the Select a Function list box. Step 5. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Step 6. Enter the range of cells to find the sum of their contents, which is DD in this example. Excel detects some options on its own. Step 7. Click OK. The result of function appears in the selected cell.